We're going to connect a Norse 450 winch, the 3-point attachment, to a Massey tractor. We're going to connect this to this. Step 1. Back tractor close to winch. Step 2. Find gloves. That's my gloves. You have the chain to the wall so it doesn't crush. It does have a little leg on the bottom. But I didn't trust that with the kids climbing around in here sometimes. Figured put that on and just throw it over. Hitch. PTO sort of slide out. Click. Hitch. Important to get it in. Go arms. You can see other different size, different 3-point hitch. Mine is this one. So it's a little bit bigger. Mine won't go right through. That lever down. See how that lifts? That allows you to extend this to fine adjust the pin. Take your pin after you adjust with that pin. There it's easier to move in theory. These pins here, see how you can move them. That pin comes out. That one there. These slide back and forth to push the arms this way, that way. So you can do it on both. And that would center it when you're looking at the back of the tractor. That would center it. Don't drive away with your chain to the wall. So you can already see how it's not quite straight because this side doesn't kick back in. That. So I'm going to take that off. There's a little pin up there. What I usually do is have a look at it to make it sure it's level and make sure you don't have the angle too steep. That angle there, so that when you raise it all the way, you don't hit your window. I've got it set on my PTO lift, or the 3-point lift. There's a little this thing here, you can set that so that you can't go too high, so you don't hit your window. I've got mine right up, but I've got the 3-point set so that it can't hit. I put it down and just see how level it is. And that angle from the bottom to the top of the winch, the top should just be slightly closer to the tractor than the bottom.